In today's fast-moving world of e-commerce, global logistics, and same-day delivery expectations, getting a package to someone's doorstep isn't always enough. In fact, in many industries and customer segments, it is just the beginning. Welcome to the world of white glove delivery, where shipping becomes more than transportation. It becomes a complete high-touch experience. This premium service is growing in popularity for a simple reason: people expect more. They expect care, precision, professionalism, and convenience. And white glove delivery delivers exactly that. But what is it really? And is it worth the investment? In this video, we're going to explore the full picture. What white glove delivery means, what types of services are offered, who it is for, how much it costs, and what you should look for when choosing a provider. Let us dive in. What is white glove delivery? White glove delivery refers to a high-end, last-mile delivery service that offers more than just dropping packages at a front door. The term white glove originates from the idea of ultra-careful, spotless handling. Imagine someone wearing pristine white gloves to move delicate or expensive items. In white glove delivery, trained professionals go the extra mile. They not only deliver your goods, but they also carry them into your home or office, unpack the boxes or crates, place items in the exact room or position you want, assemble or install furniture or equipment if needed, remove all packaging materials afterward. It is a premium service designed to remove all the stress, labor, and uncertainty from receiving large, heavy, valuable, or complex deliveries. Types of white glove services. White glove delivery isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. In fact, it is often tied into multiple service levels, depending on what the customer needs. Here are the most common types. Curbside white glove delivery. This is the most basic form. The delivery team leaves the item at the curb near your property. It is ideal for people who are okay with carrying and setting things up themselves but still want careful handling until the drop-off threshold or covered delivery. This includes bringing the item into a sheltered area like a garage, carport, or covered porch. It has some protection from weather and theft but still doesn't go inside your home. In-home or in-office delivery. This is a step up. The delivery team brings the item into your building and places it where requested, such as a specific room, floor, or department. This often includes stair carries and positioning the item carefully. Full white glove installation and setup. This is the top-tier service. It includes everything inside the delivery: complete unpacking, furniture assembly, appliance installation, setup, testing in the case of electronics, and debris removal. Some providers even offer removal of old furniture or appliances. Who uses white glove delivery? So who actually needs or benefits from this kind of service? It might be more common than you think. Residential customers. Homeowners receiving luxury furniture, custom appliances, home gyms, or electronics often choose white glove services. If you've just ordered a 7-foot couch or air refrigerator with smart features, having it professionally delivered and installed makes a huge difference. Busy professionals. If you don't save time to assemble or set up products, or simply don't want to deal with it, white glove delivery offers peace of mind. Everything is taken care of. Seniors and individuals with disabilities. People with limited mobility benefit greatly from white glove delivery. It eliminates the physical burden and reduces the risk of injury from trying to move heavy objects. Businesses and commercial clients. Companies ordering office furniture, IT equipment, or lab machinery often require timely, secure, and damage-free delivery. White glove delivery ensures sensitive equipment is set up properly and on schedule. Medical, scientific, and industrial users. Facilities that require temperature-sensitive goods or fragile equipment often need precision delivery services that white glove logistics providers are trained to offer. E-commerce retailers and high-end brands, businesses selling premium products like designer furniture, boutique electronics, or luxury mattresses use white glove delivery to enhance their customer experience and brand image. What impacts the cost of white glove delivery? It is no surprise, white glove delivery is more expensive than standard shipping. But how much more? That depends on a variety of factors. Size and weight of items. The bigger or heavier the shipment, the more labor, equipment, and care it requires. A grand piano costs more to deliver than a bookshelf. Distance and location. Long-distance deliveries and hard-to-reach addresses drive up costs. Deliveries that involve stairs, tight hallways, elevators, or urban congestion often come with surcharges. Level of service required. Simply placing an item indoors is cheaper than full installation and debris removal. Every added layer of service adds cost, urgency, or time windows. If the customer wants the item delivered on a specific day, time, or within a narrow window, the logistics get more complicated and more expensive. Insurance and liability. Some shipments require high-value coverage or full replacement protection. This premium insurance is built into the price. In general, white glove delivery for a medium-sized item like a couch might cost anywhere from a few $dozen to several hundred, depending on the service level and location. What to look for in a white glove provider? Choosing a white glove delivery provider is important. After all, you're trusting them with your valuable cargo and your customer experience. Here are a few key things to check before you commit. Reputation and reviews. Read customer reviews, especially those that mention timeliness, condition of goods, communication and professionalism, experience and training. Are the staff trained to handle delicate items, perform installations, and deal with unexpected challenges? Transparent pricing. Make sure the quote includes all services and there are no hidden fees as to what happens if something goes wrong. Communication and tracking. A good provider offers real-time tracking, delivery notifications, and responsive customer support. Insurance coverage. Confirm that the service includes appropriate insurance for damage, loss, or delays. White glove delivery is more than just a premium add-on. It is a smart solution for people and businesses who value convenience, care, and confidence. Whether you're moving into a new home, upgrading your office, or delivering high-end goods to customers, this service provides a smooth hands-off experience. And if you're unsure how to arrange a white glove delivery, don't you worry. A professional freight forwarder like Foresmart can coordinate everything: pick-up, transportation, setup, and follow-up. With the right support, even your most delicate or difficult deliveries can be managed with ease. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Have questions about white glove delivery or want to share your experience? Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you need expert help with global shipping or custom logistics solutions, check out Foresmart's website for more. We're here to make shipping smarter, safer, and easier.